guys ready for more kitchen tips? Here we go. Here's a tip for keeping your dairy fresh. Store it in the fridge upside down. It creates a vacuum. It inhibits the growth of bacteria. Your dairy lasts longer. To tell if an egg is fresh or hard-boiled, just spin it. If it wobbles, it's fresh. Do you know there's no difference between a brown egg and a white egg in nutritional value or taste? For real. Keep egg yolks in the center when you're boiling them by just stirring the water. It's great for deviled eggs to have the yolk in the center. The best way to slice them, unwaxed dental floss. Your deviled eggs will be the prettiest in all of the lands. You want a healthy, lean meatloaf that's not dry? Add 1 whipped egg white for every pound of lean meat. All right, let's talk about egg freshness and water. In a bowl of water, an egg will lay flat on the bottom when it's fresh. It'll start tipping up the older it gets. If it's standing up like this, it's on its way out. And when it rises to the top, it's a bad egg. So here's the path from fresh to rotten. Fresh, rotten. Did you know you can freeze eggs either whole or separated? If you freeze cooked egg white, the white gets really rubbery. To get that perfect white film over a fried egg, just before it's done, add a couple drops of water, cover it. Perfect every time. If you haven't subscribed to the Organizer Man Monthly magazine, what are you waiting for? The link's in the bio.